Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you the future is now. Today we're going to be looking at a 2027 Avenger by Forest River. It's the 26 DBS floor plan. And not only is this thing aesthetically from the future, but it is packed with functionality and tech, which makes it feel like you are living in a modern, brand new, fantastic trailer. Starting off on some very standard features out here on the front. Last couple of years, the Avengers have gone over a drastic overhaul, both structurally and visually. One of the most notable things being this drop frame in the very front. So you get a pass-through storage area like you do on most trailers, but where this differentiates is it has a drop frame design. So dropping down that frame means you can properly pack in tons of gear to this pass-through storage area. Not only your camp chairs and small coolers like you normally could, but you could pack in foldable bikes if you needed to. Sometimes they've got the graphic here, larger coolers, outdoor barbecues. You can do a kayak in here too. Plenty of storage with this drop frame design, which was a great overhaul that happened in the last couple of years. They've kept it for the 2027s. Another thing that's nice, it's almost unstandard on all of these Avenger floor plans, is going to be a powered tongue jack as well as powered stabilizers around the entire trailer. You've got your two cover 20-pound propane tanks here as well. And we'll do a walk around the far side maybe and work our way back to the entrance. Looking over here, you're going to have access to your other pass-through storage area. You're going to have these magnetic latches on the top, very easy to use one-handed. You're not going to have those brittle fold-over plastic pieces, which often break in the sun. Folding that down, you've got your city water connection. This is going to be your controller for your powered stabilizers here in the front. You've got these great gold tinted windows, which not only look from the future like you're seeing it on a NASA spacecraft, but they do a great job at regulating the temperature on the inside. A fantastic option for privacy with that reflection. And they also just look great against this gunmetal kind of silver, and you get this black and gold look as well. On the 26 DBS floor plan, you're going to have a single slide out. So this is going to be kind of your main living area, which slides out, gives you some more room. Walking around the rear, you're going to have some of your low point drains, your gray water holding tank and sewer outlet connection. You're going to see the other side here for your powered stabilizers. The switch, I believe, is here in the rear. You got your switch right there. You've got your power supply there as well as your outdoor shower. Walking around the rear, pretty standard still, but nice features to see. You've got your spare tire on the bumper. You've got your bumper itself to store your sewer hose. It is prepped for a backup camera, so if you want to have one installed, it's a nice and easy process. And walking over to this side, this floor plan does have a bunk setup in the rear, master living in the front, but even with that bunk setup, you still get some outdoor storage underneath that main bunk. Two more things to mention with the exterior here. You're going to have this powered awning with LED lights. Perfect for keeping the sun off you or a light drizzle of rain. And you also have this Furrion outdoor fridge. Perfect for keeping drinks or snacks easily accessible when you're already outside the trailer. Now you're not having to trek mud and dirt through the rest of your beautiful trailer just to get inside and grab a drink. Stepping on to the inside here, you're going to see we have a friction hinge door. This door is great looking too. You've got this full glass front to it. Still on the inside, you've got the backing here, so you're not going to have all that glass shining into the trailer. You still get the privacy of your main door, but the looks and aesthetics with that nice reflective front. Stepping on into the interior, let's start at the very nose here. And since this came just straight from the factory, there's going to be plenty of little stickers around here for us to notify you and show off some of the new features in these 2027s. First of all, one thing they made a change here in the previous years was a different bed size. So they call this a Camp King. Get a little bit more room than you standardly would. And another difference here too was they've given you these alcoves here in the back. These are great for a couple of reasons. First of all, your phone, your alarm clock, CPAP machine, whatever it be, is easily accessible when you're lying down. You don't have to crawl halfway up the bed just to get to the front here again. They also give you 5-volt USB charging, so you have USB-C and USB-A right there, as well as a 110-volt receptacle. You've got that on either side of the bed, and that also eliminates you having to store things on this front, where you said it's hard to get to, but also every time you open this door, you're knocking everything off the table. No longer going to happen with these 2027 and 2026 designs. You've got a wardrobe style closet here on this side. storage up above, and wardrobe on that side too. So no arguments on who gets the better side of the bed. Each side is equal both with charging and storage capabilities. Underneath the bed here, this is where you're going to see some of those stickers I was talking about earlier. So you've got your Camp King bed, which we've already touched on. You have your Camp Comfort ottoman and easy under access storage. So what they mean by that is, first of all, you're going to have this ottoman here, perfect for storing all of your belongings. Can easily come out and be an extra eating surface if you want to put it in front of the couch. And you're going to have easy to access storage with storage totes on either side. So rather than having a fold up bed and storing everything in one compartment, they give you the totes where it's easy to remove and easy to store. Over on this side, I didn't mention it before, but you do have a shoe storage compartment right underneath the sink there. Walking in here, you have a commercial style cup cleaner. You put your mug on top, spray it off. Deep stainless steel sink and a drying rack. Another big change which happened in 2026 and has continued in 2027 is the removal of the microwave up here. So a lot of people they found weren't using their ovens in their trailers. So what they've done instead is they've given you a 3-burner stovetop. A lot of use gets happening out of that. And instead of having an oven, which doesn't often get used, they've replaced it down here with your microwave and air fryer combo. So you get your power convection microwave, air fryer combo. That means you're not going to have your microwave up here anymore, saves you space, and allows to have this pretty much countertop to cabinet window here, showing off all that extra light when you have these blinds up. You also have a 10.6 cubic fridge here. It is 12 volts, so that's going to be fantastic to save you some of your propane with it being fully electric. And a large, spacious freezer compartment up above. This particular model, you also have your air conditioning up above here. You've got your vented air through the rest of the trailer. And another favorite feature of these 2026/2027 new designs are these hidden pantry storage. So you've got this large entertainment area. You've got your electric fireplace as well as your TV. Flipping up this little latch here. Look at this pantry. Definitely more storage than I have at my kitchen at home, and this is in a trailer, and it is hidden. So you've got all that extra storage with not all that extra clutter. Flipping behind me in your single slide out for this unit, you're going to have your jackknife sofa, which is going to double as an extra sleeping area. It'll fold out into a bed if you need to sleep more guests or kids along with you. You've got your theater style fold down there for your cups, and I believe this model as well has some storage capabilities underneath the couch there too. Over on this side, you're going to have your dinette, your main eating area. You can sit down here, have your meals, play your board games, morning coffee, but it's also going to dual as another sleeping spot. So this will drop down, cushions will come over, and now you have that extra sleeping area as well. You have double over double bunks there in the rear, so really a good setup for a family with kids or grandkids that are going to be with them quite often. Spacious room up in the bunks here. You'll see littered throughout this entire trailer is going to be USB-A charging ports, perfect for portable devices. Window there on this side. Dropping down, you have a window there as well, so definitely the designers of these trailers have had kids and know they will fight over which one gets the better bunk. At least this one, whoever's on the bottom bunk, still gets charging ports, still gets a window, still gets a light. The last thing to show off is going to be the washroom in this trailer. So right at the very back, you're going to have your shower. You've got this full plastic shower surround in here, built-in shelves, plenty of natural light coming in from your vent. You've got your foot flush toilet, and flipping over to the side, medicine cabinet, storage, and your sink. I personally am a big fan of these new designs for the Tracers and Avengers coming from Forest River. And if you want to see all the features the 2027s are going to have, come on down and check this one out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.